friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Snoopy as Santa, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the left eye, and we're going to start by drawing in an oval. We're going to leave a gap stepping over on the right hand side, just replicating this. And then on the top, let's draw in another oval for the highlight. Now let's color in the eyes black. Moving to the side of this now, we're going to draw in a sideways oval for that nose. Stepping up, we're going to curve this line out, around, and then down. And then we're going to continue to scoop this around, flattening that out, curving that back up towards the left. Now for the top bracket here, we're just going to draw in a curved line. Let's come back to the nose. We're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval for that highlight. And then again, we're just going to color our nose in black. Now let's step up on a diagonal from that corner. We're going to curve this all the way around and out towards the left. Now from here, connecting this on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for the pom-pom of the hat. We're going to step underneath for the ear, curving this around and through towards the top. And then on the back, we're just going to curve this around and down for that neck. Let's step up, closing off the hat. So we're going to curve this line up and through towards the middle. Stepping down, arching this around, and then in on the side. Let's close off the top of the hat now. So we're just going to arch this out, down, and through towards the left. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this around and then down towards that circle. Now from here for the hand, we're going to step underneath and we're going to curve this line around and in for that first finger. Stepping down again, curving this over and through. And then one last time for the pinky, just curving this all the way around and back across. For the front of the jacket, we're going to curve this line down. And now we'll continue to close off our hand. So we're just going to start from the top, curving this line in. Moving down, arching this around and through. And then one last time for the arm, just curving this further out, scooping that back around and in. Let's close off the neck. So we're going to curve this line across towards that hand. And then moving in behind, we're going to arch this all the way around and through towards our hand. Let's step down for the arm. On the back, we're going to curve this down. Stepping in again, we're going to replicate that, ending that at the same height. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line from left to right. And then for the sleeve, we're going to start from that corner, bringing this all the way around and through towards the top. Let's start with the pinky, arching this around and back in. Moving in towards the middle, curving this around and up. And then again, just curving this around and back through towards the top. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the hand. To the right of this, we're going to curve this all the way around and then back in. Now let's move up. For the belt buckle, we're going to draw in a rectangle. So we're going to draw in a straight line on the bottom. We're going to draw in two straight lines coming up on the left and right hand side. And then now from here, we're going to flatten that out right on the top. In the middle, let's draw in another rectangle. Now let's draw two lines coming out on the right. And then on the left, we're going to replicate that on the top and bottom. Now right in the middle, let's draw in a circle. And then moving up, let's replicate that again. Let's draw on the Santa sack behind. So we're going to move in and we're going to curve this all the way around and through. And then now from here for the leg, we're just going to draw on a small straight line on the left-hand side. Stepping in, we're going to curve this around and down towards the bottom. In the middle, we're going to draw in another straight line. On the back, we'll replicate that again. And then we're just going to scoop this all the way around and through towards the front. Now let's come over, drawing in a straight line coming down. Let's move back in, curving this around and through towards the bottom. And then again, we're just going to round this out, curving this over and in.
And that is it. That's how you draw Snoopy as Santa. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.